front of me is ASUS Zenfone 10, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. You need to begin by going into settings and scrolling down just a bit to access display. After that, scroll down again, click on refresh rate, and apply the best one for you by clicking on it. I will go with the highest one. So when I click and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my ASUS has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!